If you want to allocate a task or piece of work to students by Google Classroom, sign in into your Gmail account and open your Google Classroom. From the Classroom option. From the Classroom option, open the class you want to assign. On the top of the classroom, you will find 4 options: Stream, Classwork, People and Grades. Click on the Classwork option. Click on the Create option. Here you will find different options: Assignments, Quiz Assignment, Material, Reuse Post and Topic. You can send different types of file such as PDF file, Word file. You can even add a link. You can even send a link of a page or a video to your students. I have video on this. Link is given in the description box. Watch the video to know how to add videos, links and files to Google Classroom for your students. In this tutorial, I will share with you how you can assign assignment to your students. Click on the first option, Assignment. In the title, type title to your assignment. Next is instructions. So this is optional. You can leave this part. You can type instruction for your students. If you are allocating a task or assignment to the students is small, you can directly type the questions over here. The other way is you can add link of file from these options. So here we'll see 2 ways how you can assign the assignment. I will show you the first method. So the first method, what you can do is directly type the questions to your students. If you are allocating an assignment to your students and if you find convenient typing directly your questions in this instructions box, you can type your questions here. Then after typing all the questions towards the right side, you can select your class. You can select students and you can allocate points. You can allocate points and you can keep it ungraded, due date. You can even select time. This time option is optional. You can categorize all your assignment into one topic. Click on Create Topic to create a new topic. Towards the right top, you will find Assign option. Click on the arrow. Here 4 options are available. Discard draft, you can delete your assignment. Save draft, you can save it. Schedule assignment, you can schedule it for future. And the first one is assign, you can assign it to your students. So here you can see a new topic is created, assignment 2. Under the assignment 2 you will find assignment. So here you will find the assignment to create it. So this is the topic new created, that is assignment 2, and under this topic I have created the assignment. So click on the assignment to view. Here you will see my assignment. So this is the first way you can directly type the questions to your students. From view assignment, you can view the assignment. Let's see the second method. For the second method, type your title, type instruction, type instructions to your students. You can even skip this. Click on the add option. Here 4 options are available. You can attach file from Google Drive and from this file option. Click on Google Drive. So the options in Google Drive and attach file is same. Here you can see insert files using Google Drive. You can see 4 options: recent, upload, my drive and start. The same way, the similar options are there in the file option: recent, upload, my drive and start. You can attach file from these 2 options. If you want to add a link of a page, you can use the link option. So you can give a link of a page or of a YouTube video. So click on file option. So in the recent option, it shows all your recent files. Upload. Using this upload, you can upload your file from your computer. You can upload file from your drive and start. If you have marked any file start, you can view that file and upload it. I will show you how to upload. Click on browse option. Select your file. Select your file, and so here down you will find open option. Click on open option. Here you can see the Word document file is attached. So this is the file assignment 1. Towards the right side of the assignment 1, you can find a small arrow. A drop down box will appear after clicking on the arrow. Here 3 options you can find. From these options, you can choose how to share this file with your class. So from the first option, students can view file. All the students will view the single file. The second option is students can edit file. So all the students can view the file and edit the same file. Then the third option is make a copy for each student. So from this option, you can make different copies for individual students. So when you select the option make a copy for each student, the file are automatically stored in the students' class folders in the Google Drive. Select the options students can view file. Towards the right side, select your class. Select points. You can even keep ungraded. You can assign date, or you can skip the date and time. And the final job is to assign the assignment. So from the 3 vertical dots, you can edit, delete and copy the link. If you want to edit, click on edit option. You can make the changes you want. You can add the file. You can remove the file. If you want to remove the file, you can use this option, close option. From the topic, you can select topic for the assignment. You can use the existing topic. Save your changes. To view the assignment, click on the assignment. You can use these 2 ways to assign. The first way is simply write the questions in the instruction box. And the second method you can use is you can attach a file to the assignment. So you can assign assignments to your students via Google Classroom to increase the learning capabilities of students and to increase the skills of the students. Students learn a lot when they read or practice something by themselves. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos on Google Classroom. Thank you.